Hello friends, what's up? Today I'll show you how to disable apps internet access in Android phone. First I open a messenger and you can see there have internet. So I go back and click here and now click on app information. Now click the restrict and data uses. Now you can see the all data section are enabled. Now I disable the Wi-Fi. Now there is also have internet. So I refresh it and again open the messenger app. Now you can see there is no internet. So this way you can easily disable your internet of any apps. So thanks for watching my video.